Good day everyone and welcome to our cardiovascular news. And today we're going to discuss on how blood circulates to our heart. First, we have the oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood will enter to the right atrium from the systemic circulation through the superior and inferior vena cava and from heart muscle through the coronary sinus. Second, we have blood that flow into the right atrium, right? So that blood will also flow through the tricuspid valve and into the relaxed right ventricle. Before ventricular relaxation finishes, the right atrium relaxes while pumping enough blood into the right ventricle to fill it completely. Third, once the right atrium contracts, the right ventricle begins to contract too. Why? Because it's pushing blood backward to slam the tricuspid valve shut. As pressure builds inside the right ventricle, the pulmonary semilunar valve is pushed open, allowing blood to stream into the pulmonary trunk. When the right ventricle begins relaxing, its internal pressure drops sharply below the pressure in the pulmonary trunk, causing blood to flow back and snap the pulmonary semilunar valve closed. Fourth, the pulmonary trunk splits into the main branches, the right and the left pulmonary arteries, sending blood to the lungs to trade off carbon dioxide for fresh oxygen. Fifth, once oxygenated blood leaves the lungs and enters the left atrium via 4 pulmonary veins, its blood drains passively through the bicuspid valve into the relaxed left ventricle. Right before relaxation ends, the left atrium squeezes to pump in the final bit of blood needed to top off the ventricle. After the left atrium squeezes, the left ventricle starts contracting. The initial pressure forces blood back against the bicuspid valve to shut it. As pressure inside the left ventricle continues to build, the aortic semilunar valve is forced open, pumping blood into the aorta. And now, oxygenated blood reaches its final destination. That blood traveling through the aorta is delivered across the entire body, excluding the areas of the lungs served by pulmonary vessel. When the left ventricle relaxes, its internal pressure plummets below aorta pressure, causing backflowing blood to seal the aortic semilunar valve shut. Again, this is Cardiovascular News.